This is Stacy and Ben. Ben is a little kitten, and he is available for adoption at the Wrightville Animal Shelter. He's about a 9-week-old gray tabby. He's very, very playful. He's very well socialized. He purrs, and he's just a fun cat. The vet's office really enjoyed him today. And this is his mom, Stacy. Stacy is not quite sure what to think. She had a very big day today. She got spayed, and now she's here at the shelter for the first time, so she's kind of wondering what's up. But she's a very loving cat, was a super mom, very pretty herself. She's gray and she's long haired. She's kind of a tabby, but she doesn't have a lot of stripes. She's kind of just a gray with a few stripes here and there. But Stacy would love to have a home, and so would little Ben. So come and adopt Stacy or Ben, or adopt both. They wouldn't mind it at all. Good girl, Stacy.